Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. Today we're going to go over a quick guide over what's going to come in the next video, and we're going to be talking about all the maintenance items that have been happening on the BMW E90. Now, over the past couple of months, I've been asked a couple of questions as to what was the maintenance cost, or what things have been changed on the car, what has been done, stuff like that. So in the next video, I plan to address all of that to get everyone up to speed as to what are the common problems would happen to my car and what could be the common things to your car as well. So stick around for that video. If you want to see that video, subscribe to the channel by pressing the link down below. Leave your comments down below as to what exactly you want me to cover, and also leave a like, share with your friends and stuff like that. But in the meantime guys, here's a couple of snips from the next video. I hope you guys stick around, and I guess I'll see you soon. Take care. Peace.